You know, this morning I'm asking myself this question. Ukuthi all these people ukuthi bebaphikisana no General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi baze bathi ukhuluma amanga. Abantu ababebaphikisana nezinto alishilo on that media briefing. Abantu abafana nabo Shadrack Sibiya, abafana nabo Senzo Mchunu, abafana nabo Paul Olisivano, whatever that name, that stupid name. I'm asking myself this question ukuthi makunje kunjani? Simlalele izolo uBhekicele, the former police minister. Lezi into ukuthi abosenzo Mchunu bebaziphika. Yena azisho laphayana. Aze asho, so far he's the only person amongst these people who have admitted ukuthi I know uKeth Matlala. I have sat with him, I have met with him, I have slept on his apartment. But these two, they have been denying. I'm asking myself a question, like what is happening in South Africa? That the people that are supposed to be protecting us, they are the ones who are involved in all these illegal things. And they will continue, under oath, they will even lie. They would even bafake nama-specs, baze baqamba manga, lying to South Africans. Ngalesikhathi leso, some of us siyateksiwa bafethu, siyateksiwa kusinto okudlala. Imali yethu iyahamba. Iya ebantwini ukuthi they are destroying this country. They are destroying this country. And all because of also they have a president who is supporting this nonsense. A president that will put someone who is useless to a special leave. So you ask yourself, you listen to Abu Madlanga Commission. Even nama advocates are crying tears. They are crying. Abakhona nokubamba inyembezi. Abantu ukuthi basanayo inyembeza abanayo. They are crying tears when they listen to people testifying. And you ask yourself, South Africa, what did we do as South Africans to deserve Cyril Ramaphosa, to deserve a president engeke ibe nendaba? You ask yourself, lo muntu uzele na? Because mangabe uzele, uzoba nendaba about the lives that are being destroyed every day, about people that are being murdered every day. Because it's bad what is happening in South Africa. Aslali nokulala uthi noma ulele uyaphupha boKeth Matlala ziyakhala nje. And that's why South Africans right now, it's a time for ukuthi sikhulume. If they must kill us, let them kill us. But what they must know, they will not kill all of us. If they must arrest us, they will not arrest all of us. 2026, it will be exactly 50 years since the uprising of the youth of 1976 who took it to the street. It's about time that we remove Cyril Ramaphosa. It's about time that we all remove Cyril Ramaphosa. You listen to all these events that are unfolding. You ask yourself, lo baba obathi Cyril Ramaphosa uyezwa na? Ubaba ukuthi uphika yonke into, uphika nabashana bakhe, uphika yonke into. That's why South Africans, right now where we are, we must not fear anything. Somebody testified at Madlanga Commission and said, General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has paved the way for us to speak because of we were scared before to speak. Because of they will kill us. But at least when they will kill some of us, they will kill us knowing ukuthi some of us sikhulumile. We have fought for our kids. You ask yourself ukuthi kwenzakalani eMzansi? Kwenzakalani?